Good morning guys, I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. So a few days back I got a Jio Fiber connection for myself, and one of my friend is using Airtel Extreme Broadband since last few months. So I just thought to compare these two internet service providers because we are in the same area, and in this video we are going to do the same. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. And guys, this is my first video in this 2021, so wishing you all a very happy new year. Getting the new Jio Fiber connection was super easy. I just sent an inquiry via my Jio app, and the next day I got the connection. The connection charge was rupees 1500 only, and for the first month they are giving the free trial, in which I am getting 150 Mbps of bandwidth along with some OTT app subscription. And this 150 Mbps bandwidth plan is generally costs 999 rupees, and this is a prepaid broadband service, as you all know. So on the screen you can see the detail of this Jio Fiber plans. And if I don't wish to continue this Jio Fiber connection from the second month onwards, they will take it back, and this 1500 rupees will be refunded in full. So this is a very good thing from Jio Fiber, and I am really not sure whether Airtel Extreme is also giving this kind of free trials or not. Now let's get into this technical comparison between Jio Fiber and Airtel Extreme Broadband. After getting this new Jio Fiber connection, I did some speed test, and in the insert you can see the result. To evaluate any internet service provider, there are three basic parameters primarily. So the first one is the bandwidth, which is your data transfer rate. So in this case, which is around 150 Mbps as per the tariff plan. The second one is the ping or latency, which represents the responsiveness of your internet service provider. And the third one is jitter, which represents the stability of your internet service provider. So in this case, the latency is around 5 milliseconds. So yeah, it's fairly responsive, but it could have been better considering it's a fiber network. And the jitter is around 2.4 milliseconds, or this is more than 2 milliseconds. So the stability is also could have been better, as again it is a fiber internet connection. Now just let me show you the result from Airtel Extreme Broadband speed test. So you can see here the latency is lower than the Jio Fiber, so that means Airtel Extreme Broadband is more responsive than Jio Giga Fiber, and the jitter in case of Airtel is just 0. That means the network is very much stable, and also the bandwidth is more than the promised bandwidth as per the tariff plan. So it was a 200 megabit per second plan, but as you can see the actual data transfer rate during the speed test is a bit more than 200 megabit per seconds. In one of my earlier video in this channel, I spoke about how to evaluate your internet connection and how to check whether it is a good one or not. You can check that video out, and I am giving the link in the I button above and as well as in the description box below. So technically Airtel Extreme Broadband is a clear winner here, and now let's talk about the tariff plan. For 999 rupees in Jio Fiber we are getting 150 Mbps of bandwidth, but for this same 999 rupees Airtel Extreme is giving 200 megabit per second bandwidth, so which is again makes it a clear winner here. Now let's talk about the router. So Airtel is giving a Huawei dual band Wi-Fi gigabit router, while Jio Fiber is giving dual band Wi-Fi gigabit router, but some from unknown Chinese manufacturer. So in this case you can say that the Airtel router is definitely a bit better than the Jio one. Now on the screen you can see the Jio Fiber cable and the Airtel Fiber cable. I really doubt the mechanical strength of this Jio Fiber cable, as this is just a fiber cable without any shielding or without any armoring or without any kind of protection. But the Airtel Fiber cable is a shielded one, a armored one, and the mechanical strength is definitely higher than this Jio Fiber cable. So in case of any storm, thunderstorm, chances for the Airtel cable for surviving is more than the Jio cable. Again, in this case also Airtel Fiber is a clear winner here. But I really don't know why Jio is giving this cable because the chances for cable cut and this kind of things will be more in this case. So from the comparison we can say that Airtel Xtreme Fiber is a clear winner here, though they are not giving that 1 month of free trial. And in both the cases you are getting some OTT app subscriptions, though again it should not be a concern while getting an internet connection for yourself. So that's all for this video. If you want a comparison between these local internet service providers, you can let me know in the comment section below. As I live in Kolkata suburban area, so in my area Alliance Broadband, Wishnet, Megbella Broadband, Fabnet, and there are so many of internet connections are available. So definitely I'll try to make a comparison video between these internet service providers, as these Jio Fiber and Airtel Xtreme Broadbands are really not available in the rural part of the country or in even some small cities. So if you want that comparison, please do let me know in the YouTube comment section below. And if you have liked this video and find this video useful, please do hit the like button below. Also don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.